Welcome to Gritty Vlogs channel. This is the place where we keep it real, raw and full of energy. If you love watching fun, you are in the right spot. Let us dive into today's video. The Hastashilpa Heritage Village Museum is a wonderful place located in Manipal of Karnataka. It is not a regular museum with glass cases and labels. Instead, it is a small village showing the rich culture, traditions, and lifestyle of India from the past. The museum was started by a man named Vijayanath Shenoy, who wanted to preserve the beauty of old Indian houses, crafts, and heritage. The museum is spread over a large area and has 26 traditional buildings that were carefully saved, restored, and brought here from different parts of India. These buildings are not just for display, they are arranged to look like a real village. As you walk through the museum, you feel like you are traveling back in time. The museum has many types of houses, such as mud houses, wooden houses, and grand mansions. Some have open courtyard in the middle, while others have beautiful carvings on doors and windows. These houses show how people lived in different regions and climates of India. The museum also has beautiful examples of Indian craftsmanship. You can see wooden carvings, stone sculptures, and handmade pottery that represent the creativity of our ancestors. What makes Hastashilpa unique is how everything feels real. You can walk into the houses, touch the walls, and imagine how families lived here. It is not only other museums where you only see items behind glass. This museum also shows the skills of Indian architects and artisans. For example, The houses were built to suit the climate, keeping the interiors cool in summers and warm in winters. This museum is perfect for anyone who wants to learn about Indian heritage, culture, and architecture. It is a peaceful place where you can take your time and appreciate the wisdom of the past. Visiting Hastashilpa Heritage Village Museum is not just about history, it is about understanding how closely life, art, and nature were connected in olden times. The word Hastashilpa means Hasta is hand in Sanskrit, Shilpa is craft. And this museum lives up to its name. Spread over 6 acres, this heritage museum contains reconstructed houses and shrines that span several centuries. The Hastashilpa Heritage Village Museum is more than just a collection of old houses. It is a living example of India's culture and traditions. It teaches us the importance of preserving our heritage and representing the craftsmanship of our ancestors. These structures are characterized by intricate craftsmanship. Some houses are made of mud and have thatched roofs. These were built to keep the interiors cool during summers. If you ever visit Manipal, this museum is a must-see destination that will leave you inspired and connected to India's rich past. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share with your friends and subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one. Until then, stay gritty.